iQOO Neo 9 Pro will launch soon in global market. Fast refresh rate LTPO OLED display, flagship processor, superb in design, Sony flagship camera sensor, fast charging and many more. Today I am going to show you iQOO Neo 9 Pro global variant review. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's talk about the design of the iQOO Neo 9 Pro. When you see the color of the phone, the company has named this color Red and White Soul. At first glance, the phone gives off a gaming phone vibe. The back of the phone is made of leather, and both colors have stitches in the center, giving the phone a premium look. It's not too heavy, weighing around 190 grams, and the thickness of this leather variant is 8.34 millimeters, which provides a good in-hand feel. The frame of the phone is made of plastic and has a flat design. The phone indeed provides a great in-hand feel, and in terms of design, it's impressive. I've already uploaded the unboxing and first impression video of the phone, and you can find the link in the description section. Now, let's talk about the display of the iQOO Neo 9 Pro. The phone features a massive 6.78-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1.5K. It also boasts a refresh rate of 144 Hz, which comes with LTPO technology. This means the display can adjust from 1 Hz to 144 Hz refresh rate, leading to reduced power consumption. Furthermore, the iQOO Neo 9 Pro also offers excellent eye protection features. As for the camera, it sports a rear-facing dual-camera setup. The main camera boasts a 50-megapixel Sony IMX920 sensor, the same as the one found in Vivo's flagship phone, the X100. Additionally, it comes with OIS support. The secondary camera is an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. You can check out sample photos here. In terms of performance, the iQOO Neo 9 Pro is powered by last year's flagship processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, along with the Q1 display chip. In addition, the iQOO Neo 9 Pro comes with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring smooth gaming performance. The phone handles games exceptionally well, even after playing Genshin Impact for 30 minutes at the highest setting of 60 frames per second. There are no noticeable frame drop issues. The game runs smoothly even in high-quality mode. Moreover, you can play King of Glory at the highest setting or in high-quality mode without any issues. When playing at 120 frames per second, the average frame rate reaches almost 120 frames per second. Moreover, the iQOO Neo 9 Pro utilizes hyper-reality technology in its game mode, which is paired with the performance mode. This ensures that even high-end games don't cause heating issues because the phone is equipped with a large VC liquid cooling system spanning 6,043 square millimeters. This cooling system effectively keeps the phone cool and is one of the best in its segment. As for the battery, the phone features a 5,160 mAh dual-cell battery and supports 120W fast charging, which quickly charges the battery. Talking about the global variant of the iQOO Neo 9 Pro, it could be priced around £340 with bank offers. Pre-booking for the iQOO Neo 9 Pro will start from tomorrow. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.